are the Visual Vibe team, and we're shaking up mobile presentations with a revolutionary solution for seamless wireless presentations. Presenters everywhere, from classrooms to boardrooms, face the constant struggle of dealing with cables, bulky projectors, blurred presentations, and unexpected blackouts, which leads to wasting time and interrupting audience focus. While existing Pico projectors offers portability, it still lacks intuitive interfaces and seamless connectivity with smartphones. Projectify changes the game by offering a portable, wireless solution that allows you to project anything from your smartphone and pairs effortlessly with the Pico Projectify device via Bluetooth Low Energy. The app includes features like AI-powered content creation, screen mirroring, screencasting, real-time annotation, and personalized features with saved settings and cloud storage, ensuring a smooth and professional presentation every time. On the other hand, Pico Projectify features keystone correction and lens shift for better quality projection. Its built-in speakers provide clear and powerful audio without the need for external speakers. Plus, our built-in battery and solar panel ensures uninterrupted presentations even during power disruptions. Projectify can be a valuable tool for students, educators, business professionals, travelers, and other diverse users, from hobbies to home entertainment. Projectify generates revenue through hardware sales of the Pico Projectify and optimizing revenue streams with the app through offering freemium model and in-app purchases. Our product is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. Imagine the future presentations and entertainment all in the palm of your hands.